In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create meeting notes in Notion. This simple Notion tutorial is perfect for beginners who want to streamline their note-taking process and collaborate effectively during meetings. First, we'll start by creating a new page in Notion. If you're new to Notion, it's a versatile tool for managing your work, and creating a new page is the foundation of organizing your content. To do this, open Notion and navigate to the sidebar on the left. Here you'll see a New Page option. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter a title for your page. You might want to name it something relevant like Meeting Notes or the specific meeting date, whatever suits your organization style. This page will act as the primary canvas where all your notes will be housed. Next, let's add a Meeting Notes template. Templates in Notion are like pre-built formats that make organizing information straightforward and efficient. If you're using Notion's default template gallery, simply select Templates from the right-hand corner of the new page. In the search bar, type Meeting Notes to locate the desired template. Once you find it, click Use this template, and voila! You have a structured outline ready for your meeting details. This step saves time and ensures that you don't miss capturing any crucial information during the meeting. Now it's time to populate your meeting notes with essential details such as the agenda, attendees, and action items. Start with the agenda by listing out the topics to be discussed. This serves as a guide to ensure that all important matters are covered during the meeting. Next, jot down the names of the attendees. Having this list is beneficial for future reference and accountability. Finally, as the meeting progresses, document any action items. These are tasks or responsibilities assigned to specific individuals that need follow-up after the meeting. Being thorough with these entries will enhance clarity and communication among your team. Finally, you'll want to share this page with the meeting participants. Notion makes sharing simple and collaborative. In the top right corner of the page, click on the Share button. You can then enter the email addresses of the participants you wish to grant access to the page. You have the option to set permissions, such as view only or editing rights, depending on what level of interaction you desire. Sharing your meeting notes enables transparency and allows everyone involved to stay up to date on action items and decisions made. And there you have it, a streamlined process for creating and sharing meeting notes in Notion. This approach not only promotes organization, but also fosters a collaborative environment for everyone involved. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial enhances your productivity during meetings. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more helpful tutorials like this one. Happy Notioning!